Happy 4th, everyone. From SoCal, we got fireworks going 360 degrees. There's a guy with his kids in the parking lot here with me. And I got all of that over. There's a whole line on this side here. But as you can hear, it's going off. Oh, cigarette. This is my 4th. There's fireworks going that way. That's the sunset. SoCal sunset. Looks a little oranger, but it's a little more red. It's dark orange. Hold on a second, I'm going this way. But yeah, fireworks going off. There. Oh, there's no one. That one was closer because you can see the smoke right there. Yeah, there we go. This is 360. It sounds like a fucking war zone. But yeah, I've been watching this side over here because it's a lot darker. Like I said, I'm in a parking lot. Mall's already closed, so I really don't give a fuck. This side just started getting live. The side back over that way. Oh, I missed that one. That was a big one. It's been going off periodically for the last couple of hours right now. I can tell you right now, that's all homes. It's all homes. It's like school that way, on my way to work, and then like businesses. And this is all homes in this area. I have another one close by back here. And then there's more going off over there. There it again. Rat bastards. It's a nice cool night here in SoCal. Pull my pants up. No belt on. I didn't need it. I didn't work today. Oh, now this side's getting a lot more livelier. There's a lot of parks in this area. Well, not a lot, but there's a lot of smaller parks, I should say. There's one just down the road on the other side of this building. But this side has been the most liveliest. So I stayed on this side watching them. Still going off back that way. I'm actually fairly far distance from Disneyland, so this is not Disneyland, guys. This is everybody doing their own things. That was right just on the other side of those fucking trees. I would have gotten fireworks, but I'm trying to get a place. Hey, there's more going just on the other side of the mall. You can see the flashes over there. The ocean breeze is coming through, so not a lot of smoke. Oh, that one's right behind me, guys. They were just the whistlers. It's only like 8:45, and the sun just almost fully set. Oh, going off back here. Oh, right as I fucking turn, as typical. I got a good big one over on this one behind me. Motherfuck. Yeah, we'll go back over this side. This is, like I said, the most lively this is happening. The last time I was here in California, well, the second to last time I was here in California, it was illegal to really let off fireworks. Only cities and government can do it. But like I said, I'm surrounded. This is a mall parking lot, but man, that's a lot of homes, I can tell you right now. Oh, there's no one that way. I'm getting the ricochet sounds off the building. You got epilepsy, don't look at that one. Oh, there's a high one. I'll come back later.